Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to check views on Instagram posts. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom. Then, open the post that you want to check. For videos or reels, the view count appear just below the post. Tap it to see the list of people who like it. For photos, Instagram does not show views. Only likes and comments are visible. If you have a professional account, you can tap View Insights under the post to see more detailed stats, including reach and impressions. And that's it. You can easily track how many views your Instagram post can get, especially on your videos and reels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.